the finals of So You Think You Can Dance. Okay, now because we live here in Australia, and because a lot of people walk like this, I want to see who's the best kangaroo. So band, if you could have a song to showcase who's the best kangaroo in Australia. If anyone else wants to be a kangaroo, please, kangaroo back in. Hot riding, kangaroo. Kangaroo Australia. I must say, normally, from what I've seen on TV and when I go to the zoo, kangaroos are hopping up like this. I've never seen any kangaroos that go like this. But that's alright, that must be the common kangaroo. So, Tamua is a dog. Dance like you're a dog. I said a dog. Show the whole hall here, especially our judges up here. Which one of you three is the best dancer? Give it up! Come on, everyone put your hands together. So we could get you guys just to stand on that line. So please, can I have the chicken step forward? Chicken. Who thinks Joseph Katehau is the best dancer here tonight? Can I have the kangaroo come forward? Who thinks our kangaroos? Ui, fia, foi tampua,